Hi, this is Ashwin, co-founder and CEO of CustomFit.ai. Today I'm going to show you how quickly you can go and personalize your product page under 2 minutes without any code changes using CustomFit.ai. CustomFit.ai is a no-code website personalization platform built for marketers so that they can go and customize their product pages based on whom they are targeting. Let's consider this product page, she and her vitamin C serum. Okay. As a marketer, say I'm targeting this product to the females of age group 18 to 30 with the hook terms like eliminate pigmentation, right? Let me quickly take you to the dashboard and show you how easy you can go and create it out. Once you log in into the dashboard, you should be seeing the accounts with respect to the sessions, unique visitors, events, and new visitors. If you are not seeing those sessions, it means that the setup has not been completed. So you need to go and check the setup part first before coming over here. You can refer to our other videos how you can set up custom fit under a minute. In this video, I'm going to show you how quickly you can go and create the personalized experience. Go to the experience engine, then go to the create experience. As we are targeting females of age group 18 to 30 for the vitamin C serum product in our ad, let's name it accordingly. That will help us to distinguish the experiences. Let me click on create experience. Right? Once this is done, now it's asking me, hey, can you give me the product page which you'd like to personalize? Since this is the product page I want to personalize, just copying that URL and pasting over here. Right? We click on add thing. So basically that page got added. Now it's ready to personalize. Right? So now let's go and create the variants. In our term, it means behaviors, right? So behaviors can be based on your audience cohort, it can be based on region, or it can be based on ads what you're launching and all, right? So let me create a behavior called as 18 to 30 behavior. So like this, you can go on multiple behaviors if you want, but in this thing, I will create only one behavior and I will try to personalize this thing out. So when I click on visual editor, basically your web page will open in a editable way. For that, you need to go and install our custom fit Chrome extension. If not, please go and install it. Now, if you see, the page has been loaded in a visually editable way. It means, as a marketer, I can literally go and change any content on the fly without any code changes. Right? For example, say I want to name this product accordingly. Say I have just copied over here in my text pad. I'm just going to copy it out. Title I want, instead of this thing, I want to change the title to this. Tagline I want to give this thing. Right? Say description. Description I want to give this thing. Right? And say image also I want to change. Let me just go and upload one image from the directory. Right? Like this, custom fit provides more than some 200 different levers. You can completely change the look and feel. Say that I don't want to showcase this section. So I'm just clicking on visibility, hide or remove. The section is gone. Yeah, custom it also comes with a lot of predefined content blocks which you can drag and drop. Right, so based on various use cases, it comes with the inline elements and also various pop-ups. Uses as per your use cases. Here, one important thing I want to tell you is the tracking. Right, say that no, I want to track among the people who have seen this variant or behavior, how many people clicked on this particular button. So like you can visually set the trackers. Like say when I click on it, when I go to actions, I'll say on click, track click, and then I will say add to cart. Right, so like this, I will let me also go and track the wide now. Right, so once you're done with your changes, you click on finalize and exit. It's like save and close. It will again take you back to the dashboard. Right, so Once you're on dashboard, now it's a time to go and add the rules. And add rules. CustomFit provides an in-depth rule engine, right? So here, like basically, you can add the various conditions and rules based on any of the campaign parameters, new versus repeat visitors, devices, technology, geography. Even certain cheeky things like time of the day. Say that morning you want to showcase this experience, or evening you want to showcase this experience, right? So based on a lot of things. Let me just quickly, for this example sake, let me select UTM parameters. Say if the UTM campaign is one of, say, let's say that this is my campaign ID, 18 to 30, right? So here, if I see if this condition, you can add multiple conditions also. Like if this is when this is met and it's a new visitor, right? So in this case, I will just add only one condition, right? So here, if you see whoever matches this conditions or rules. So here we are trying the which behavior to showcase, whether it's a default one or it's a this thing, or also you can also do a percentage rollout. Let's say for 50% of the people you want to do a default variation, and then rest 50 you want to showcase the personalized variation, right? So custom fit comes with all these sort of AB multivariant analysis that helps you out in doing all this sort of the test. For this demo thing, I will just directly use the 18 to 30 behavior, right? So let me just go and save it, right? If you go to goals section, it's started tracking the goals like add to cart and whatever things which you added, right? Now all thing is done. Like let me if we summarize. So what we did, we created an experience, added the product page into this thing, created a behavior, edited that behavior, and did the customization of the product, and finally we added a rule, right? Where we have given the targeting as whoever matches this thing, they want to showcase this behavior, right? Whatever we personalized it out, right? So one final step is a power switch. So the moment you enable the switch, the experience will go live. And if you make it off, the experience will go off, right? It's one click thing, so that if you want to turn it off, it's just a click away, right? So let me just power it on. Yeah. And you can also, even before making it live, right, there is a preview button. If you click on the preview button, so basically it will show you how this page will look to others, right? So that you can ensure that in the preview mode, okay, how it is looking, and then you can go and power it on. So let me open a new tab, and let's go to that page. If you see here in this URL, I gave the same campaign ID, because that's what actually using this thing we have written our rule over here, right? Okay, now let's say, okay, how the page looks when someone comes from this side. Ta-da! If you see here, right? So basically, what and all the things what we changed, it's completely over here. Say we changed the image, we changed the product name, tagline, description, everything, right? It's as simple as that, right? Let's do one thing. Okay, let's go and switch it off, and then let's see how it looks. Go on back, right? So it's pretty simple, straightforward thing, right? Let me again switch it on. Now let's try to showcase you the goals and all. Let's say that, okay, when I click on add to cart, okay, so let's go into checkout. And if you remember, we added add to cart as one of the goal there, right? Now let's go back to the experience engine, and in that experience, let me go to the goals. You see here, these are all the goals. Like basically, there are 3 sessions happened, and one clicked on add to cart, right? It's that real time. Go to the product page that you would like to personalize, right? And when you right click on it, you will find this option called as personalize this page option. And if you're not finding this option, it means that you might not have installed the CustomFit Chrome extension, or check your CustomFit installation on your website. So when I click on this thing, what actually happens is now the page will turn into editable way. You can visually change the content of the product on the fly. Now it is asking me whether you want to create a new campaign or select an existing campaign. Say that I want to create a new campaign. Say to 30 female audience. Let's customize this product page. Say I'm targeting audience of female age group 18 to 30 with the hook term eliminate pigmentation, right? So now according to that, let me go and change the content of this product so that that can resemble to the ad copy what I'm giving there, right? So let me first change the product name. So I have kept all the details over here. Just I will just copy and paste the related content, right? So click on it. If you see this draggable wheel and that thing, go and paste the content and click on save button like that. Let me also go and change the tag name. Let me also go and change the description. Let me also go and change the image. If you see here, you can directly upload the image from your desktop. You can also visually go and track the clicks. Like for example, when I click on add to cart, I want to see how many people clicked on this particular button, who visited this version of the page. When I go to actions, you will find on click. Here you can select track click and you can directly give your name. Say no, I want add to cart. Similarly, I want to track the buy it now. I'm going to clicking on that thing and I'm going to actions, on click, track click. I will say buy it now. So CustomFit gives you a complete detailed analytics thing that will show you how many people seen this page, among them how many people clicked on this button, what is the conversion, what's the lift, what's the bounce, everything. Let me just go and publish it out, save. So when you click on get link, so it will give you an option to generate a shareable link, right? So now whoever comes onto your website through that particular link, they will be seeing this variant of your product, right? So you can use this thing for any of your outbound tasks, like bringing the visitors from the ad to website, or Google search to website, or even emails or SMS to website, right? For example, let me quickly show you. Let me just paste this link. See here, the link which it generated, it's on your own domain. Okay, there is no change in the domain, as nothing has happened over there. It just adds a magic keyword at the end. Right now, if you see the whatever the changes which we did, right, like whether it's vitamin C pigmentation serum, image got changed, tagline got changed, description got changed, and all. Right, so it's as simple as that. Now consider the case that visitor comes onto your website second time, not through this particular link, as a direct landing or even the Google search, right? So even if she or he comes onto your website through a direct landing, CustomFit recognizes this visitor. Last time it came through what campaign and all. And if you see the story continues. I mean, the page will be the same.